This must be one of the Moon Shrine's sacred treasures. The Moon Key. It feels like it's waiting for us. Grandma said every key unlocks another piece of the journey. Let's keep going. The Crystal Tower! It's the gateway to the Temple of Moonlight! Then that's where we're going next. We're getting closer. I can feel the moon crystal's magic. The moon key fits! We found the entrance to the Crystal Tower! Let's hope we're one step closer to finding the moon crystal. Ow. Together, we can do this.
Welcome, Keeper of the Moon Key.
Who's there? The Crystal Tower is alive. It's speaking to us.
To reach the Moon Crystal, you must prove your wisdom, courage, and kindness.
These aren't ordinary mirrors. Our reflections, they're moving by themselves.
Only those who know their true selves may continue.
This was the last day our village was filled with light. We'll make sure it shines again. Thank you, Lily.
The first lesson is remembered. Continue forward. The second trial. Courage.
The bridge only appears for those who believe. Then we'll cross it together. One of these symbols will unlock the next chamber. The moon map might have the answer. The tower is responding to the pendant. It's making a picture. It's revealing the path to the next trial. Let's keep going. If we pull the lever, the next door will open. Lily, you helped the Moonbird finishing the trial. Helping someone comes first.
Kindness is the greatest magic of all.
We've passed all 3 trials. Something's wrong. The moon crystal is trapped. We're not too late. We can still save it.
If you wish to claim the moon crystal, you must face me first.
Why do you seek the moon crystal?
Not for myself. I want to save Spark's village. She's telling the truth.
Then your final test begins now.
The crystal is responding to you.
True light cannot be taken. It must be shared.
Kindness makes every light brighter.
You have passed the final trial.
It's shining again. We did it.
Because your hearts were filled with courage, wisdom, and kindness. The moon crystal has accepted you.
I've never seen this place before.
The Moon Crystal has awakened an ancient path.
Looks like our adventure isn't over yet.
The celestial tree needs heroes with kind hearts. Your journey has only just begun.
Remember, everyone, kindness makes every day brighter. A small act of kindness can make a big difference.